Good morning, my dear children. I am your art teacher Diva and today I will tell you how to draw birds, and with these birds we will make a composition. So look at this page. Follow the given steps and complete the picture. So we just need to complete this picture. After doing the sketching part, we will outline it. And after doing the outline work, we will color the picture as given in the box. Do not forget to color the background, right? Now look at this page. Compose 2 cocks or 2 swans to complete this picture. So, see how I am sketching this one. Also follow the step given on the right and left margin of your book. As you can see, 2 swans are there, and now we will complete the picture by sketching the water part and also draw some objects in the background like sun and clouds to complete this composition. After doing all the sketching work, we will outline it. As you can see, we have done with our outline work. Now we will color the picture. As you can see, for completing this composition, I have drawn this sun and cloud at the background. So now look at this page. Complete the given picture and color it. So we will sketch the remaining part of this picture as given in the box. After sketching tree, we will complete the remaining part of this giraffe. As you can see, some blocks are there on its body. We'll draw it like this. And after that, we will outline the picture, right? And color it. Beta, it is very compulsory to color the foreground and background. So complete your picture like this and send me your work. Take care. Bye bye.